Just come across this interesting building, which I think is a water tower. But yeah, City of Lincoln Waterworks. This is, like a lot of other parts of the city, quite grand. There you go. Even the water towers are grand. We've now made it over to RAF Coningsby. There is the runway. I've got the moon up there, I don't know if you can see that. Brendan's parked in next to us. We're just going to have a bit of a chill out, and then we're going to have some food and just relax for the evening. If you do want to stay here, I will leave the what free word down the bottom so you can come and check it out. It's completely free and it's been freshly tarmacked. When we came here last time, there was potholes everywhere, but this is nice and flat, really good. And as I say, completely free. The only thing is it will get a bit busy with people that want to come and see the planes taking off, because they do take off most days, just generally not at the weekends. So we're unlikely to see any planes. Having said that, there are a few people in the car park, so never know, we might see something. Well, it's turned into a very nice evening. Moon is now very high in the sky. A little bit breezy, and it is certainly fresh. Brendan's just cooking up the spag bowl. We'll go around and see how he's getting on. I don't know if the door's open or if he's inside it. Oh, here we go. Let's go and have a look. Shall we go and say hello? Hello.
You coming to see how your dinner's getting on?
I'm just coming to see how we're doing, yeah. I'm assuming the door's over because of the wind, because it's a bit blowy, isn't it?
Is this when you say to me, oh mate, I'm actually allergic to mushrooms?
I'm vegetarian.
Well, you can piss off. But no, this is the startings of a fantastic meal, my friend.
Look at that, don't that look good already?
I always have a bit of mushroom in my spag bowl. I hope you don't mind.
Oh, we're always partial to eating mushrooms, definitely.
Good man, good man.
Yeah, definitely. We've got the easy task, we've only got to do the pasta.
Yeah, I'm treating you guys tonight.
Yeah, or the spaghetti as it were, not pasta. So,
yeah, it had to be spaghetti.
It has to be spaghetti, yep.
Can't have spag bowl with pasta.
No, definitely, but yeah, so we've got the simple task.
That's it. And we've already accomplished the most important task of the evening, haven't we?
We've got pud sorted.
We've got our pud sorted, yeah.
Oh yes, yeah, and they look.
Have you shown them yet what you're
Oh
having?
no.
Oh, you
Obviously,
give them a sneak peek.
look in the window earlier, but not actually.
That's the hook for the end.
Oh yeah.
You want to say wait to the end of this video because I'm going to be squawking
the pud. Yeah. Yeah. So they're going to come out later, and we'll eat those, and they look really nice. There we go. We've got spaghetti.
Don't worry. Wait there.
And spag bowl. I'll dish it out. Get stuck in. The chef's at work.
I'm confident that this may well be one of the best spag bowls you've both ever had. Let's see if we can do it.
That's more than enough, Brendan.
Okay. Well, you're going to be full tonight, guys. Don't you worry about that.
We've got cake
Is
to
that
go
all right as well?
Yeah, we've got cake to go as well, don't we? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
All right, plenty for me then. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Any more sauce, anybody?
No, that's good. That's looking good.
Right, let me go and pop this back in the van.
Cool.
All right, time to tuck in. Well, the sun's starting to set. It's very beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. There are, I believe, over the other side of the fence there's like a campsite or something. We could hear some music or something coming from over there. But for the most part, generally quiet. Well, cakes are here. Here we go. Let's have a quick little gander.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That just looks amazing.
And then we've got ours here, which we're going to split 50-50 and have half of each. There we go, guys. Go on, you go first.
That's the walnut one. Walnut carrot cake.
This is walnut carrot cake. I have that same reaction with cake.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not like it's been sitting there for weeks.
No,
as
it's
it should
nice,
be.
isn't it? That is like start of the day
That's
cake.
proper good. Yeah.
That is so nice.
I'm not going to be able to hold the camera and eat the rest of this, so the camera's going to have to go away. I'm going to finish this. We'll speak to you in a bit. It's getting to that time now where the sun's going down. Brendan's already called it a night, and we're going to do the same. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, folks, and welcome back to Coningsby. Let's go and see if Brendan's up, shall we? Gonna have to get the obligatory sunglasses because it's looking pretty bright out there. Let's turn these on. Oh, there's movement. He's definitely up. And he's got a camera out.
Awake!
Morning!
Live!
Yeah, we are.
Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, very good, very good.
Tell you what a lovely little park up this is.
Yeah.
Gorgeous, isn't it? No
Very nice.
disturbances, no Halfords exhaust. Give me a high five for that, that's a win, isn't it?
We'll take that. We'll take that. Yep.
Brilliant.
Oh yeah. We
How did you
actually,
both sleep?
yeah, not bad. I sleep really light anyway, so I always end up waking up to any sort of noise. So I'll check the cameras later on, see if there's any animals that came around, because even that would wake me
Let me get
up.
my sunglasses.
That's a good idea. I actually said that, didn't I, when I got out, that I need to put my sunglasses on because it is super bright.
Sunglasses at 8:30, eh? How privileged.
Can't knock that, can you? I'm pulling in 160 watts of solar into the battery.
Yeah,
nearly
I can
200.
believe it as well.
So, well happy with that. Well happy with that. And I don't know about you, if I'd heard planes screaming overhead first thing this morning, would that have been a good thing or bad thing?
Depends what time.
Yeah, there you go.
4 a.m, bad thing.
Bad, yeah.
6 a.m, yeah, that's okay.
That's it, yeah. Yeah. All right, we're going to get some breakfast and we shall pick this up in a bit. So Brendan departs and out come the planes. Oh, and here comes Brendan, look, he's suddenly realised. Well, we'll see if they fly now, shall we? He didn't get very far. Looks like a set of old Spitfires.
Well, I'm back.
You're back!
Yes, I started to drive off with my asparagus. I saw a plane taxiing and I thought, no, we're going to go back.
Yeah.
We're going to go back. We can't stay at an RAF base and see a plane taking off and not turn around.
That's it.
Look at that. Look at that quality.
Oh, look at that. That looks awesome.
£2.50. Not the cheapest asparagus.
No, but that's proper asparagus,
That's
though.
not bad.
Local economy.
That's right,
Yeah.
that's right, that's right. We had a free park up and now we're helping out the local economy. That's
Here we go, they're throttling up.
Who knows the distinct sound of a Spitfire fighter plane? do you know what I mean, though?
Yeah.
But there will be someone.
Yeah. If on the off chance, if someone's watching who's ever flown a Spitfire plane, please let us know. Does that sound like one?
Yeah, that'd be. Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Some 92-year-old bloke at home watching me. Very unlikely.
Very unlikely.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, that's
But
not one of them, it's one of these.
Yeah.
he's like, how stupid could you be, Brendan? Of course it's not one of them. Here we go, they're circling round. Camera's not going to pick them up because they are a fair way out, but they are literally coming over the top of the lighting tower there.
Can't see any others here.
That is a sight, genuinely is a sight to see that. Really cool. And they fly really close together as well.
It's like thunder, isn't it?
Yeah, and
Thunder hit
how
you.
close they are as well.
Vibration is like.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
just
Beautiful.
breathtaking, isn't it? Really.
Yeah. Coming back. So apparently you can tell by the shape of the wings that it's a Spitfire.
That's a Spitfire.
They are.
Oh, fantastic.
They believe.
Okay.
They said it could be a Hurricane, but they're not 100%, but they're pretty sure that it's a Spitfire. Great to see the planes in the air. And Brendan's off for the second time. He doesn't want to go, see? He wants to see more planes. What an amazing sight to see. From a very sunny Coningsby, with a couple of planes flying over. If you do know what they are, please do add it in the description. I believe they're Spitfires, but I could be wrong. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget the like button. Also, don't forget the subscribe button, notification bell to see when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.